Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you're facing issues and problems or different types of errors while you are going to reconcile your bank account on this QuickBooks, then this video is for you. So let's talk about how you can troubleshoot the QuickBooks bank reconciliation issues. Troubleshooting the QuickBooks bank reconciliation issues can be complex, but it typically follows a structured process. Below are steps you can take to identify and fix the discrepancies in your reconciliation. Now first, understand the problem. First, determine what kind of issue you are facing. Beginning balance is incorrect, transactions are missing or duplicated, the difference amount doesn't match the bank statement, a previously reconciled transaction is showing as unreconciled. Now check the beginning balance. Go to the reconcile, then check the beginning balance. If it's off, one or more previously reconciled transactions may have been changed or deleted or unreconciled. Here is the fix, how you can do it. Go to reports, then go to the reconciliation discrepancy report, where you can preview the list of altered transactions, re-enter or correct them as needed. Third step is match transactions. Ensure all transactions on your bank statement are entered into QuickBooks. First, compare deposits, checks, fees, and interest. Look for duplicate or missing transactions. Here is a tip for you that use the bank statement to guide you. Check unclear transactions in the reconciliation window. Fourth step is review bank feeds for QuickBooks Online. If using bank feeds, go to Banking, select the account, match or categorize imported transactions properly. Sometimes imported transactions don't match existing ones, leading to duplicates. Use reconciliation reports. Use the following reports like reconciliation discrepancy report, missing checks report, audit trail, or audit log. This help identify when and who made changes to reconciled items. Undo and redo reconciliations if necessary. If error can't be fixed easily, QuickBooks this desktop, go to the accounts register, locate the last reconciliation, use undo last reconciliation. QuickBooks Online Accountant, only accountants can undo reconciliation. Verify and reveal data, desktop only. To fix potential file damage, go to File, then Utilities, then Verify Data. If issues are found, go to File, then Utilities and Reveal Data. Here's some avoid common mistakes. Don't manually delete bank fee transactions unless useless or necessary. So avoid changing or deleting reconciled entries without understanding the impact. Always reconcile against your official bank statement, not the online balance. Check for journal entries or adjustment. Sometimes adjustments are made manually to force a reconciliation. Here's the tips for you, like look for journal entries with unclear purposes and consult with an accountant if needed. Contact support or your accountant. If you're still stuck, reach out to QuickBooks support or consult a QuickBooks Pro advisor or accountant. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.